Yes, we do. But I want to, before we get to the calls, I want to ask you another question. Now, for a long time, and I remember I bought my house, my wife and I bought our house in 2009, and we actually, looking back on it, ended up getting a great deal on it because I didn't realize what a good deal we got on it at that time. But there are still people looking for loan modifications, and I'm wondering, are they still being granted, and how long do they have to take care of these programs, to get involved in these programs, and can you reduce principal? Can you also reduce the interest rate? I mean, can you increase the term? I mean, what can you do with a loan modification, and can you still get them?
Yeah, they're definitely still out there. They're set to expire at the end of this year, so whether or not they come back is anybody's idea. I don't think they will, but they're definitely out there. They're a great way to reduce your interest rate, especially if you're underwater and you can't refinance. It's really the only way that you can knock your payment down. And in some cases, if the banks acted poorly enough, you can get into other programs that allow for principal reductions. So there's so many programs out there. You just have to know which ones to go to, and you have to ask the bank for the best ones. They're not just going to offer them up to you. Just like the insurance company doesn't tell you everything, the banks aren't going to put you into the best one. If you just call them and say, I want a loan modification, they're going to put you in one, and it may not be the one that's most beneficial to you. So you got to know what you're asking for and how to get it. But they're out there, and it's a great way to reduce your payment.
Can you give us an average amount of time that it takes to get a loan modification from beginning to end?
You know, it varies from bank to bank and investor to investor, but, you know, somewhere between 3 to 6 months. And it's, you know, you're calling them every day. You're going through my contacts. It's a lot of work. You have to stay on top of them. It's just a lot to do, but it's worth it.
Well, great.